Hello and welcome to week 9. For week 9, the first thing that you're going to do is complete your reading assignment. If you open up that link, you'll notice that we are coming to the end of working through our open education resource. So I want you to read argument analysis, all of the sections there as indicated in the red rectangle, argument and digital writing, all of those sections, and then finally putting it all together. As usual, there's a Prezi attached so that you can look through the main points of that particular assignment. Moving on, you are going to work on your primary research for this ongoing project that we've been working on throughout the semester. So as I've indicated in some of our videos or our class announcements, you know that you're building on project 2 with some primary research to create project number 3. So as I said, when you pick that topic in the very beginning of the semester, that topic was going to go all the way through and you're going to continue to build upon it. So just like the journal articles that you've been reading, you've established your literature review, you've established what other people have to say about your topic. Now you're going to gather some primary research. And what we're going to do to gather that primary research is just a simple 10-question survey in Google Forms. You can use other, as the directions indicate, you can use other survey generators, but I suggest Google Forms only because it's easily accessible to you through your webmail, and it's easy to see the results in both graphic form as well as spreadsheet, numeric form, or if you do some qualitative questions where you ask for text responses, you can see all of that pretty easily. And in Google Forms, you have indefinite access to the form as opposed to some of the other survey generators. This short video will walk you through how to set up a survey if you have never done that before, and then you will be able to submit the link to that survey, and there are some other instructions for discussion forum number 4. But let's back up a second. As the weeks between turning in that rough draft and moving through fall break, etc., have transpired, you'll notice that some of you are steadily getting your screencast comments. So just as before with project number 1, what you're working on doing is you are going to work through your peer review comments and my comments to do your revision so that you can turn in the final copy of project number 2 by Sunday, October 30th at 11:59 p.m. or earlier if you've completed it. All right, now let's go back to that discussion forum number 4. We talked about the explanation for it and the short video on how to set up a Google form if you've never done that before. What you're going to do for this particular assignment, for this discussion forum, is that by October 30th, you will submit the link to your survey. So make sure that people can, respond to it, check your settings, send the link that is actually the send link, not the edit form link, so that people can open it up. You'll submit that into the discussion forum, and then you'll complete 5 classmate surveys. But because of the nature of some of these surveys, I would prefer that you simply give me a list of the 5 surveys you've completed and you send it to my email address. So all you need to do is click on that link to my email address, type in the 5 surveys you've completed, and like I said, I'll be able to take the 2 bits of information, your survey link and your email to me, and give you the credit for this particular forum. All right, now one thing I want you to remember is you send this form out. In the discussion forum, you're only going to get maybe 3 to 5 responses. You really want to target a higher number of total responses. I'm saying your target is 25 responses, so that means that you're going to need to send it out via email, maybe you'll text it, however you want to get it, social media, however you want to get additional responses. But I do want you to know, those of you who really want to make this more of a true research project, is that 100 is considered the minimum number of responses to something like a survey for valuable information, for valuable data. So if you want to go to that next level, shoot towards that 100 mark. But like I said, I'll be happy if you're able to generate at least 25 responses. If you have any questions about the week ahead, let me know. I'm looking forward to this next phase. This is one of my favorite parts because it's really exciting to see what you find in regards to the general public's feelings about your topic.